We are on our way to deliver to 3 other fire stations between Westlake Village, Agora, and Malibu. God bless them and protect them. Thank you for all you do. We're so happy to help and provide whatever we can. Here we are heading towards Malibu to distribute more goodies to fire stations. God bless them all. Here we are delivering special gifts and supplies to fire department. God bless them all.
Those are water.
Water, okay, good.
And then behind this pallet, there's some like miscellaneous.